Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Bluey and Bingo dancing together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw Bingo. We'll begin with her eyebrows. Next, I draw her ears like this. See? They look like little triangles. Now I draw her body, nice and simple. Let's move to her face. I draw two big eyes and a happy, smiling mouth like this. She looks like she's having fun, right? Hey kids! If you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up so I can make more fun drawings for you. Let's keep going. Now I draw her hands. Since she's dancing, her hands are raised like this. Next are her legs. And then I draw her tail. Oops, looks like I forgot Bingo's nose earlier. Let's quickly add it. There we go. Back to Bluey. Now I draw his open mouth. Then I draw his eyes, they're closed, like he's really feeling the music. He must be dancing to his favorite song. Now for his eyebrows, and then I draw his hands, and they're moving just like he is. I also draw his tail, and then his two dancing legs. Up next are Bluey's ears on top of his head. To make the picture more fun, let's add some musical notes around them. Can you hear the music in your imagination? Now I'm going to use a black marker to outline the drawing and make it nice and clear. Let's start coloring. First, I use sky blue to color parts of Bluey's face. Then I use dark blue for the areas around his eyes, his tail, and part of his ears. I add a little dark yellow to his mouth. Then I add gray, red, and pink to make it even more colorful. Now it's Bingo's turn. I use dark yellow for her ears and around her eyes. Then I color her body with a soft cream color. Finally, I use gray to add some finishing touches. Great job, everyone! Your drawing must look amazing. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more colorful fun. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.